for a few years already, we've been doing research into developing flexible interiors for affordable housing in London with engineered timber and digital tools.
This pavilion, Ephemeral, Natural Flexible Living, is designed to showcase a new way of living with engineered timber for structure and walls. And internally, the apartment is completely open as it's built. And then you can put in flexible partitions later. You can move them very easily. And that gives an apartment that can change and grow dynamically as the person who lives in the apartment, as his or her or their needs change over time.
Homes very frequently become obsolete because they lose their function or you don't want them as they are, so they get demolished. But if you promote this kind of flexibility, buildings can last much longer. So then you move into your apartment, which is an open building, and you get any partitions you like. It's similar to an IKEA piece of furniture or other kinds of piece of furniture that you just buy in pieces and you assemble it, and it's quite low cost and it's very easy for anyone and very affordable, no?
So we're using this Natural Flexible Living Pavilion to demonstrate how we can build, design, and live in urban environments in the near future. And this particular pavilion and buildings that would be designed in its wake, in its style, are designed for manufacturing. This was made in a factory. It was designed for ease of assembly.
It's also designed to be disassembled. So again, promoting this circular economy where you can reuse all the materials, everything is organic, and because of its flexibility, it's very easy to put the walls away, and if someone comes to your house, for example, you can make quickly a small room in your home.
This pavilion was built by 6 people in 4 hours from start to finish, moving it from the workshop into place, putting it all together. So on a construction site with trained personnel, you can imagine that we could do many of these modules in a day, and then continue the next day, and you could have an entire apartment building built very quickly.